Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. See here, we have to draw a graph of x square minus 3x minus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial because the highest degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. And if we draw the graph of this polynomial, we get a parabola. If x square coefficient is positive, x square coefficient here is 1. So if it is positive, then we get upward parabola. And if it is less than 1, that is if we have negative values, then we get a downward parabola. So here the x square coefficient is plus 1. So we get, if we draw this one, we get upward parabola. So first of all, uh, write the table of solutions. So the table of solutions. What are the table of solutions? Here, there are three columns only. The first one is x, and the second one is y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, and the third one is the points, that is coordinates x comma y. Just these three columns include in the table. So first draw the table. Here three columns. Okay, this is our table of solutions. And now take the values for x variable. Take 3 or 4 negative values, 1 0, and the remaining 4 or 5 positive values. Okay, so the first one I am taking is minus 3. So for x I am taking minus 3. So first of all, do the rough work to find the value of y. So x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So find the value of y. What is y here? X square minus 3x minus 4. Substitute in place of x minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 whole square means 9. Minus into minus plus. So 3 3s are 9. So plus 9 minus 4. 9 plus 9, 18, minus 4. That is 14. So here the value is 14. So y value is 14. And the point is minus 3 comma 14. Minus 3 comma 14. And then take the again negative value I am taking here, x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2, substitute in place of x. So minus 2x square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 square whole square means 4. Minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6. So plus 6 minus 4. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. So here we get the y value as 6. So the point is minus 2 comma 6. And now I am taking minus 1 for x value. So x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 whole square means 1. Minus into minus plus. 3 ones are 3. Minus 4. So here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So we get here y value as 0. So the point is minus 1 comma 0. And now I am taking the value x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. So that is equal to 0. Minus 3 zeros are 0 minus 4. That is equal minus 4. So y value here is minus 4. The point is 0 comma minus 4. And now I am taking the positive value, that is 1. So x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Substitute here y is equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. So that is equal 1 square means 1 minus 3 ones are 3 minus 4. So here two negative values, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7, and 1 plus value. So minus 7 plus 1, that means minus 6. So here we get y value as minus 6, and the point is 1 comma minus 6. And I am taking here 2, and I get here y value as minus 6. So the point is 2 comma minus 6, and then 3, and get y value as 4 minus 4, minus 4. So 3 comma minus 4, and then I am taking the x value as 4 and the y value as 0. Okay, the point is 4 comma 0. And if we take 5, the y value is 6, and the point is here is 5 comma 6. And now plot these points in the graph. Okay, so first of all, draw one vertical number line and one horizontal number line which are perpendicular to each other, and put the numbers at each centimeters. Okay, so this is our scale. Write down the scale first of all. So what is scale here? Scale on x-axis, on y-axis. So what is scale here? 1 centimeter is equal to x-axis. I am taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So 1 unit. And on y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is very important. Scale is very important in drawing a graph. Okay, now I am plotting the points. The first point here is minus 3 comma 14. So first the x coordinate is minus 3. Okay, and then 14. So above the y-axis, that is here. So here the point is minus 3 comma 14, and next minus 2 comma 6. So here first x coordinate is minus 2, and then we have to see 6 on y-axis. So 2 here, minus 2 here, and the point here is 6, 2, minus 2 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 on x-axis, and 0, there is no displacement. So here I am putting minus 1 comma 0, and 0 comma minus 4. 0 on x-axis and minus 4. So it is on y-axis. Next 1 comma minus 6. So 1 and minus 6 here. Here is the point. And next 2 comma minus 6. So it is also here 2 on x-axis and minus 6 here. And then 3 comma minus 4. So 3 on x-axis and minus 4 on y-axis. That means here the point 4 comma 0. So 4 here on x-axis and 0. There is no displacement on y-axis. So here. And then 5 comma 6. So 5 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis. So the point of intersection is here. So 5 comma 6. Now join these points, all these points through free hand only. So I am joining these these points only free hand, not with the scale, because it is a curve. So we get this is our parabola. Okay, this is our parabola. What is the equation or polynomial? It is x square minus 3x minus 4 parabola. And now justification. This is very important while drawing a parabola. What is justification? So take the justification. So first of all, take the polynomial, that is x square minus 3x minus 4, and equate it to 0 and use split method to find the zeros of this polynomial. So 1 into minus 4 minus 4. So we have to split the middle term. So what are those? X square minus 4x plus x. Okay, minus 4 is equal to 0. Split method. Okay, take the common factor x, x minus 4, and here the common factor is 1. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. And the common factor in these two terms is x minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4, after transposing we get plus 4, and here we get plus 1 after transposing minus 1. So what are the zeros here? X is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. And now what is the justification here is the parabola. The parabola cuts the x-axis at what points here? 4 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. So these are the zeros here also. So here we have to write the parabola. The parabola cuts the x-axis. The x-axis at the points 4 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. So this is our justification. So it is very important for the public point of view. So please see this video and do remaining graphs also.